Hello, it's Kate from Inkstampshare.ink. I wanted to share something with you today, the new Tea Room suite from Stampin' Up, or more specifically, the Tea Room Memories and More card pack. I just received my order of some of my goodies and I've got this in it. I love them and I thought I'd share them with you so that you could get a better idea of what you get in your pack. It's so much easier and nicer to see them than just on the page of a catalogue. It's part of this suite called the Tea Room suite, which consists of lots of different goodies. You get the stamp set in it, there's a stamp set and die bundle, or you can buy them separately and the dies cut out the stamps. There's the copper tea tins for making gifts. There are copper vinyl stickers, which are gorgeous. They've got the butterfly and bee theme running through them, and the tea room ribbon combo pack, the Memories and More card pack. There's 12 by 12 24 sheet tea room papers, and the card stock pack that matches the papers. So there's lots of things in this suite, and I specifically want to show you the Memories and More card pack today. So let me crack on. Now I've opened them up because I couldn't wait. Memories and More cards, they come in a box like this. You can see we've got our rebranding on it. Our rebranding is all this lovely black and white packaging. So we have got the Tea Room Memories and More card pack on page 195 of the new catalogue, and the whole suite is on page 15. You get actually a lot. You get 56 cards and stickers in this pack, and they're generally for the pockets page style scrapbooking, the Memories and More, but you can use them to make cards with as well, and you know, 3D bags and boxes and all sorts you can decorate with them. So I'll show you what we've got. These are the 6x4 cards. You get 2 of each, so if you like one side a lot, don't worry, you get another one. And they are stunning, and they coordinate with the papers. They coordinate with everything, so they are really pretty. And I will tell you, I've got a post-it note with all the colours written down there. I'll tell you what all the colours are. These little spoons and things, part of the design. That's a speciality with a copper foiling. And this one is gorgeous. It's a 6x4 acetate with the copper flowers on. It's a party just for you. There's that little bee again. Keeps coming out. From us to you. And the butterfly. Today was that big label. That's gorgeous. And as I say, they coordinate with the stamp. So that image is in the stamps. I'll show you that. I have the stamp set here that matches it. So this is that image there. Love and laugh each day. Stunning leaves, aren't they? And here's the stickers. So you get a 4-pack of stickers. It's got that gorgeous butterfly that drew me to this pack. It's made on a card here. And I think this sold it to me, this butterfly. So there's a couple of those, and they've got lots of labels there too. And then there's 2 of these with more labels with like a watercolour print, and bees, the flower again, and the butterflies. There's 2 of those. So they're the 6x4. And then we got lots of 4x6 cards as well. No, 3x4 cards as well. And you get 2 each of these too. So these are so pretty. There's that butterfly again. Isn't it gorgeous? And the bee. The spoons. Life is better with you. You're my cup of tea. I can see me using this for lots of packaging, and I've got some specific ideas for teacher presents, which is coming up soon. Hello. Oh, look at that. So lovely. Congrats. That'd make a great card with some embellishments. It's the other side. It's got that bee poking off. Live boldly. Oh, that's an interesting one. You are lovely. That is part of the framelets, that shape. So the framelets come in that shape too. And that's got that on the back. That pretty design. Oh, look at that. How gorgeous. Simple and sweet. So pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I love this. This is very me, fresh and quite subtle and not too in your face, but really nice. You can do a lot with it. I think it's quite versatile. Ooh, I don't drop it. All the things to remember. Just smile. So nice. It looks like a blackberry plant. Today's the day. It is. Today is the day. Oh, look at the copper foiling with the bee. Can you see that? So lovely. And oh, that's gorgeous. You make me happy. And this one, oh look, I'm sold on that now. And this one has the bee and the little butterflies. Aren't they absolutely stunning? They're gorgeous. So I have loads of ideas for projects to go on my blog for that. You can get your Memories and More card pack or any of the suite from the new Stampin' Up catalogue. And you can go shopping on my website at inkstampshare.ink for that. I'd love to be your demonstrator if you don't have one already. If you need one of these new catalogues, just get in contact. I'd be happy to pop one in the post to you. Hope you like the video and you've got a really good idea of what's in these Memories and More packs. If you do like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And click that little bell button down below and you'll get notifications of future videos. Thanks for stopping by.